This video is on how to know the refund status. Income tax refund means a refund amount that is initiated by the income tax department if after processing of income tax return the amount paid in taxes is more than the amount due. Such excess is refunded by the department as income tax refund. Return processing by the income tax department starts only after the return is verified by the taxpayer and the refund amount is credited to the bank account of the taxpayer after processing of income tax return. In order to access the functionality of Know Your Refund status, you should have a valid user ID and a password of the e-filing portal. You must have filed an income tax return claiming the refund, and it is advisable that your PAN is linked with your Aadhaar. Let us now see step by step how do we check the refund status. You are required to visit the e-filing portal homepage and click on login. Enter your valid user ID and password. Post login, for individual users, if the PAN is not linked with Aadhaar, you will see a pop-up message that the PAN has been made inoperative as it is not linked with Aadhaar. To link the PAN with Aadhaar, you can click on Link Now, else click Continue. Now you can click on the Services tab and go to Know Your Refund status. You're required to select the desired assessment year for which you want to know the refund status from the drop-down menu and click on Submit button. Please note that if the refund due has been determined on or before 31st March 2023, you're advised to visit the Protean website to check the refund status. To know the date on which the refund has been determined, you can go to the e-filing portal, click on e-file tab, go to income tax returns and then click on view file returns. You would be able to see the complete life cycle of return processing along with the date of processing of refund. If the refund due date has been determined after 31st March 2023, then you can use the functionality which has been discussed in this video. If the refund has been determined recently, you're advised to please wait for a few days as it takes a few days to get the refund credited in your bank account. Please note that the refund banker helpline number is 1800-425-9760 for all refund related queries. For issues related to your specific bank account, you are advised to contact your bank branch. Please note that the receipt of refund requires a validated bank account on the e-filing portal. Please ensure that your bank account details such as IFSC, bank account number and the account holder's name are correctly validated on the e-filing portal. You may check the status of your validated bank account on the e-filing portal. Post login, go to the profile section, click on My Bank Account and revalidate or add a bank account if required. Once you go on Know Your Refund status functionality, you can come across the following scenarios. The first scenario can be that the refund has been issued. In such a case, you would be able to see that the refund has been processed by the refund banker and you would be able to check the unique transaction reference number. If the refund is partially adjusted with an outstanding demand, the balance amount will be credited in your bank account by the refund banker. You would be able to see the challan identification number for the payment of outstanding demand. To know the challan details, you can go to the Payment History tab of the ePay tax functionality. If the refund will be fully adjusted with an outstanding demand, you would be provided with the challan identification number. You can check the challan details bearing the challan identification number by logging to the e-filing portal and getting the challan details under Payment History tab of ePay tax functionality. If the refund is unpaid, you would be also able to check the message that the refund is unpaid. In case your refund has failed, you can raise the refund reissue request. This is a post-login service. Go to Services tab and click on Refund Reissue. To create a new refund reissue request, click on plus Create Refund Reissue Request. Select the relevant acknowledgement number and click on Continue. Choose the bank account and type where you want to receive the refund amount. Please note, refund amount will be received only in a validated bank account with the status validated. You can click on Revalidate to revalidate the bank account. If you wish to receive the refund amount in any other bank account, you can click on Add Bank Account. Enter the bank account number, account type, account holder type, IFSC and nominate it for refund. Click on Validate. Now select the validated bank account to get the refund and click on Proceed to Verification. Select the mode of verification. Post verification, refund request will be submitted. Let us now check at the reasons for refund failure or the unpaid refund. One of the reasons for refund failure could be that the PAN is not linked with Aadhaar and therefore the PAN has become inoperative. In such cases, you're advised to link your PAN with your Aadhaar. The other reasons for refund failure could be that your bank account is not validated. Please note that it is compulsory to validate your bank account. It could also be a reason that the name mentioned in the bank account does not match with the PAN details, or you have an invalid IFSC. It could also be a reason that the account that has been mentioned in the income tax return has been closed. Please note that if the bank account validation has failed, the information on the same will be displayed. You can add or remove a bank account by clicking on the 3 vertical dots on My Bank Accounts screen. You can also add a new bank account by going to the e-filing portal, post login. In the My Profile section, you can click on My Bank Account and then add a bank account and then validate it. Similarly, you can also update your bank account details. In case of a refund failure, you are required to raise a refund reissue request. However, before raising a refund reissue request, kindly ensure that the account type should be saving, current, cash credit, OD or NRO account. Name of the account holder in the bank account should match the name as per PAN. If there are more than one bank accounts, it is advisable to validate all bank accounts on the e-filing portal, nominate at least one bank account for refund, and remove or deactivate the bank accounts on e-filing portal which are closed. If you are an NRI, you are advised to provide only NRO account. Foreign bank accounts are not eligible for refund. You would also not be eligible for refund if your PAN is not linked with your bank and the name matching fails, or if the PAN is linked but there is a name mismatch between PAN and the bank database. It is also important to note here that Aadhaar PAN linking is not applicable for NRIs, super senior citizens, and the citizens residing in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Assam, Meghalaya, and not the citizens of India. Let us now move to some of the frequently asked questions on the refund reissue. While submitting refund reissue request, I am getting an error. You have no refund failures to raise the refund reissue request. Please note that if you had provided any other valid bank account and nominated it for refund, CPC would have reinitiated the refund to such a nominated bank account irrespective of whether refund reissue request is submitted by you or not. Please check refund status before submitting refund reissue request. While submitting a refund reissue request, if you're getting an error ITDEXEC 2002, this is a technical error. Please ensure that your bank account is linked with PAN. Your bank account is validated and nominated for refund to reinitiate the refund from CPC. While submitting the refund reissue request, if you are getting an error that the bank validation is under progress, so unable to submit the refund reissue request, you may nominate any other validated bank account and raise a refund reissue request. Else, please wait for 30 days. In case the bank account does not get validated in 30 days, it will be moved to not validated status and then you can revalidate the bank account. Knowing your refund status and raising a refund reissue request is very easy. To know more, you may visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.